today you're going to be dealing with turkey breast, yes?
Yes, I thought we'd show you two different ways: a Cajun style and a fresh herb or stuffed herb breast. So I'm going to take some onions, carrots, some celery, just chop them up roughly. And on the onions, I kept the skin on because I want those flavors. Onto
Nice.
a roasting pan with some rosemary, some thyme, pretty fun. Then here's my breast, small breast, bones out. I'm going to take Cajun spice into my bowl. I'm going to take brown sugar, mix those together, little pepper, little salt. You notice I got gloves on here because it's going to get messy. The breast right into there.
Boom!
Oh, yeah. Give it a good old mix.
Get in there.
Give it a good old... So I've got the Cajun. It's on the root vegetables right now. So I'm going to take my second breast into my bowl. I've got in here thyme, rosemary, oregano, parsley, salt, pepper, and oil. And I'm going to give this, a good old mix there, look.
Yeah, you made like a loose chimichurri, like you just doused it.
Exactly. It's beautiful. And you can do this 3 or 4 hours in advance on both of them. Let it get marinated in there. Get it all nice and yummy, yummy. One of the things I forgot to tell you earlier is make sure your oven's on at 450 degrees because we want it nice and hot. We're going to put, now look at this. It's sexy food. There's my Cajun. There's my herbs into the oven.
And it took minutes, chef, and just cooking quick and fast.
Now here's the cool thing. So we're going to start it in the oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Then we're going to turn the breast over, reduce the heat to 325 degrees, and then cook it until it reaches about 165 degrees. It's about an hour and 20 minutes, hour and 30 minutes, depending on your oven. But by the magic of television, it's an hour and 30 minutes later.
But you get it low and slow on the other side. Low and slow, and then you've got all that great, look at that. All that great flavor and juice. Oh, fantastic. And it's so versatile. It's so versatile for people. It's so easy, so versatile.
I'm going to take them off, let them rest for a second, but look at all this great flavor I've got here. I'm going to take this, turn on my pan. I'm going to take all this great flavor and put it right into a pan because this is where I'm going to make my gravy or my sauce.
I gotcha. I closed my oven with my foot too, chef.
Love it, love it, love it. So in that root vegetable, I just put some chicken stock. I got some white wine.
Lovely.
Oh yeah, don't worry about it. Remember this, don't cook with wine you wouldn't drink with.
That's right.
So I put in a little slurry, a little cornstarch, leave it cook out for a minute because cornstarch, needs to cook out. I've got my mashed potatoes already nice and creamy here. I've got my vegetables, couple of plates. So I'm going to take, first of all, let me take the herb crusted. Got gloves on. I'm going to slice this down. Oh, yeah.
Gorgeous. That looks perfect.
Cooked beautifully.
Robert, perfect.
I'm going to put that one on there. I'm going to take my Cajun. I'm going to slice it down here.
Oh, look at that.
Oops. So look, I've got my vegetables, my different turkeys. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. Then I'm going to give you a nice little sauce.
But you want the gravy. Go ahead, strain the gravy. Oh my gosh, it's nothing. And look how beautiful it is.
It would not be Thanksgiving without a little, cranberry. A little cranberry on there.
Oh, gorgeous.
And just for you, Rach, this is just for you, and I mean this. Look what I did. I got a little, can you get me close on this? I got a little turkey full of butter full of turkey. Looks like a turkey.